In today's video, I'm doing a black, gold, and white tablescape in honor of the graduating class of 2024, especially our own Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, here I have on the table what I'm going to be using, starting off with these beautiful gold placemats that I got at the discount store. A couple of sets of napkins, not sure which one I'm going to use. I have a kind of shimmery gold, I have a plain gold, and then I thought I had a set of 4 of these black napkins, but I can only find 2. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. These shimmery gold placemats, which were a gift, a beautiful gold tray, blinged out gold tray, and that too was I have some rose petals and some flowers scattered that I got from Temu. These are from the Dollar Tree, and these are hair ties that I like to use as napkin rings. I have gold napkin rings as well. Black and white toile or chinoiserie dinnerware with the gold edge. Black and gold stemware and some clear salad plates with a beautiful design and a gold edge. And then I have candles, and they're the flameless candles, and I got them some time ago on clearance from the at-home store. So that's everything I'm going to be using on today's tablescape. Let me put that together for you. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. This week we are joined by a special guest, Martha of Divine Inspirations by Martha. Honey, she does fabulous tablescapes. And if you haven't visited her channel, make sure to do so. You're gonna love her just as much as we do. This week, we are celebrating Anna's graduation and all of our graduates for the class of 2024. Congratulations to you all. And we are celebrating with a black, gold, and white theme. Links to all of our channels, as well as the playlist, can be found in my description box below. So make sure you visit that playlist for some awesome tablescape inspiration. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the reveal. I hope today's Tablescape video gives you inspiration to create a beautiful tablescape for the special graduate in your life. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Cause honey, like I always say, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And leave me a comment because you know I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.